Chongshang Environment Protection Machinery Equipment Co., Ltd. This is our pyrolysis equipment workshop. This condenser was tortilla oil gas condensation liquefaction to tortilla fuel oil. Let's go to workshop. That is pyrolysis main furnace, can pyrolyzing with tortillas, plastics, and oil sludge and etc. This pyrolysis main furnace with tortilla. This is a plastic cleaner. Make a pyrolytic cleaner need automatic submerged auto weeding machine. These are all sporting accessories, operating system, distribution adapters. We have a production area and materials area in front. This pyrolytic cleaner tool. That is automatic submerged auto weeding machine. This and that. Timber shell semi-finished product. When the shell is ready, the shell and the pyrolytic cleaner combust into pyrolyzation main furnace. This condenser tool. This to Malaysia. This is a furnace making furnace. Pyrolyzing dry materials and heat up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This all furnace. This is all housings.